Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Thinkorswim to TradingView. While a direct, native connection for live trading isn't available, many traders still combine these platforms for enhanced analysis and execution. We'll explore how to leverage their strengths together, focusing on practical workarounds and third-party tools that bridge the gap for automated trading and data synchronization. This guide will help you streamline your workflow. Since direct integration isn't an option, a popular method involves using a third-party connector. Services like Traders Post act as a crucial bridge. First, you'll need to set up an account with such a service. Then, connect your brokerage account like Thinkorswim to this platform. This intermediary will then process alerts from TradingView, converting them into executable orders on your brokerage account. Once your third-party connector is ready, the next step is to configure your TradingView alerts. You'll develop your trading strategies directly on TradingView's advanced charts. When your strategy generates a signal, you'll set up an alert. Crucially, these alerts will use a webhook to send the signal to your chosen third-party service, which then communicates with Thinkorswim for trade execution. Beyond automated solutions, many traders simply use TradingView for its superior charting and analysis, then manually place trades on Thinkorswim. For advanced users, custom API development offers highly tailored integration, though this requires programming knowledge. Remember to subscribe to real-time data on TradingView to ensure your charts reflect current market conditions, preventing delays of up to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.